Hey, Ribbon. Sonic Shoe, not now. What's wrong? I'm just sick and tired of Pietro and Magnet fighting. No, our team is not bad. Your team is bad. Well, why? Because you're just mad that I'm a better leader than you? I mean, you're the worst team captain ever. I mean, no wonder why your team lost the first challenge. I mean, how can a dumb person like you be a team captain? I mean, Amber should have been the team captain. I'm a better leader than Amber. It's miracle. That's what you get for messing with me. Hello, people. I have an announcement to make. From now on, this show will be a contestant vote because people, you know how people vote for you guys to be eliminated. Well, when I say voting ends early because when we have enough votes, people still vote for the person they want to be eliminated. And I'm getting tired of that. So from now on, this show will be a contestant vote. Sweet, now I get to vote off Ribbon. So with that taken care of, it's time for the elimination! Welcome to the elimination, blood-sucking vampires. As you may know, you guys lost last episode. So let's go to the votes. We have a total of 9 votes, and the prizes today are ice cubes. TV, do your stuff. The people safe with 0 votes are Amethyst, Frisbee, Macaron, Magnet, Parachute Bag, and the person safe with 1 vote is Mint-Mento. The people see. So we're down to our bottom 2. Game Boy Color and Lock. The last person safe is Haunting. Game Boy Color with 2 votes. Lock is eliminated with a total of 6 votes. Lock, you have been the first male to be eliminated. How does it feel? Well, too late. Nice doggy. I'm bored. Let's get to the next challenge. Your next challenge is safe crack. So the way this challenge works is each room has a safe in it that unlocks a key, and you guys have to then the last door leads to you guys have to unlock a door, and there will be a flag. Whichever team shows their flag to me wins. Go! So anybody knows how to unlock a safe? How about Macron? She's the smartest one out of all of us. Gee, thanks. Alright, guys. Who should be opening the safe? I think I should do it since I'm smart. Who died and made you choose you to be the one unlocking the safe? I mean, all you do is kill people. Well, I have the bigger brains than all of you guys. Hey, put me down! Anyways, I think that SoCan should be the one that opens the safe because he's smarter out of all of you guys. So SoCan, just do your stuff. Guys, I found a note with the code. So the code is, I got it. The code is 791. Ching. Cool, a paper with a code on it. So the code is 2712. Ding. Alright, so I should be the one opening this next safe. No. Wait, can't you just, like, memorize your friend Tails Goggle do this? Tails Goggle is not even here. I'm just joking. He has a better brain than you. Man, it was hard work after that. Ah! Too lazy for the final save. Ching! Jackpot! Whopping! And it looks like the blood-sucking vampires win this challenge. So that means the acid kills are up for this first contestant vote elimination. Ha, I told you I'm a better leader. Oh, my head hurts. Anyways, you guys have all voted for one of you guys to be eliminated. TV, do your stuff, like I said in the last elimination. Counting votes. First vote, Sonic Shoe. Jeez, I wonder who that came from. Soap can. Scroll. Scroll. I mean, 2 votes Scroll, 1 vote Soap can, 1 vote Sonic Shoe. Soap can is safe. And the last person safe is Sonic Shoe. That means Scroll is eliminated with a total of 4 votes. Oh, that is not right. I can't be eliminated this early. You know what's ironic? You were eliminated in episode 5. In the old OAS, I've heard that. Now time to get eliminated. Ching, ching, ching. Huh? What's this? Darn it! Oh, she's dead. And I have to go find somebody to possess now.